Hi guys, welcome as we do the question before us. I read the question, find the inequalities that define the shaded region. And so guys, we have this shaded region. You can see this point is 3, we have a point 2 here, we have a 4 and 4. For this point, 3 is actually on the y-axis. And so therefore, this being our origin, that is at this point, we call it 0. Guys, then this is now going to be 0, 3. That is x equals to 0, y equal to 3. Coming to this point, on the x-axis, x is supposed to be 2 and y is going to be 0. Because when you move like that, you find that y is 0. And so guys, we are looking for the inequalities. And here we have this diagram right here. The first diagram, guys, we are looking at is where our area is, where we require. We require this to be the part that is needed. And that can be represented by this, whereby this part from the top of this line is not required. The same case with this is not required and this is not required. So what we require the inequality for is the inside. And so guys, now I begin to do the question. So the first thing, guys, we come and look for the equation of each line. I look first of all for the equation of AB. And the equation of AB, I have the details right here. So the first thing is to get the gradient, which now we say is y increment. So this comes to 4 minus 3 all over x increment, which now comes to 4 minus 0. This now comes to 1 over 4. Guys, with the gradient and with another point here, x, y, guys, I can now be able to get the equation. So you shall have y minus, I can use this and that is y minus 4, x minus 4. Guys, this comes to a quarter. And so guys, when I come and evaluate that, to cut, that is, I can give you do that, and guys, this is what you are going to find. You are going to find it being x over 4 plus 3y, 3 plus 3. Guys, this comes now to y. So try and see whether you shall get that as equation of A, B. Guys, now coming to the equation of here BC. For BC, we have these points on the line, and this is also another point on the line. For these two, we can use them to get the gradient. So we shall have y increment 4 minus 0 all over x increment 4 minus 2. This gives us now 2 over 1. If you get 4 over 2, we get 2 over 1. And so therefore now guys, using x and y, a point on that line, we can get the equation of the line by saying y, can use this and that, y minus 4 over x minus 4. So guys, this gives us 2. And when we evaluate this, guys, the equation is going to be 2x. You can try that and see whether you'll get 2x minus 4 equals to y. So guys, this is now BC. So this is BC equals to that. And so guys, we have the second equation. Guys, now we come to AC, and let's see the equation of that line. So guys, now we come and look at the line AB. This is our line. And so guys, we are going to take a point which is on the desirable side. And preferably, guys, we can take this point. And the real values of this point is actually 2, 0. So guys, what we are going to do, since we have y here, we are going to put 2 here and see what we get. And remember, this is the side, according to this, as you can see here, the side that is required for this line is on this side. And so we take a known point. A known point is a point which has the coordinates. And preferably we can take the vertex of this, that is at this point, which is also a vertex. And so guys, we come and now after taking that point, we come and now put our figures. That is 2 we put there. So this is going to be 2/4 plus 3. Guys, as you can see, this now comes to 3.5. And so therefore, since that is the side that is desirable, you can see now the real value here is 0 and here we have 3.5. And so this equation now x all over 4 plus 3 will now be greater or equal to y. As you can see this point, the point on this equation is greater than 0. So that is one of the inequality. Guys, now we come to the line BC. For the line BC, we have 2x. This comes to 2x. For the line 2x minus 4, which is BC, guys, we can take at this point. This point, we take a point. Knowing that this is the side that is required. According to this, you can see, guys, that what we don't require is this side. So a point on this side is what we are going to take. And then, guys, we only take the point that we know the coordinates of. And this is the point, point A. As long as that point is not on this line, we take this point, and that point is actually here. That is 0, 3. So we have 0, 3. Guys, our real value here is 3. So I come now and put 0 on this equation. So I put like that, minus 4. And so therefore, guys, as you can see, our answer here is going to be minus 4, which is now less. So whatever we have put here has become less. And so therefore, we are going to have 2x minus 4. Now it is less. So we put it like that. Y. So that is another inequality representing that line. And now we go to the last line, which is AC. Guys, now for this, we are going to consider we have AC. We consider a point on this side. And that point is 4, 4, because this is the side that is desirable. As you can see, this side is not required, we require this side. And so therefore, when we do that, guys, we are going to have that point is 4, 4. That is 4, 4, which is not on this line AC. So I can put 4 and 4. I come now and place this is for x, so I put 3/2, 4 plus 3, and let's see what the answer will come to. So this comes to minus 12/2, which is minus 6, plus 3. Guys, this comes to minus 3, and so this is less. And therefore, guys, this is now going to be minus 3/2 x plus 3. Now it has become less than the real value of y. And so this one now comes to, now put it like that, that is less than y. And so therefore, combining all those values, guys, this is what we have. We have this first one, and then we come to 2x, that is 2x minus 4, then we put like that, and then we have this, the last one, 3/2 x plus 3, we put it like that. So guys, this is the inequality that now starts for that triangle. And thank you for listening to me, guys. Bye bye.